guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be showing you how to edit a menu in your WordPress site. So let's get started. So essentially, this is the back end of your website known as the dashboard. To edit your menu, you're going to go over to Appearance down in this left nav menu, hover, and click on Menus. Essentially, this is the only menu that this site has. If you have multiple menus on your site, there will be a box right here with the drop downs that you can choose between which menu you would like to edit. So when you want to add a new page or post or anything to this menu, you're going to come over to this section right here, and then you're going to click a page to add and click Add to Menu. If you want to change the order of how this appears on your site, you just click right here and drag and drop where you would like it to show. Indenting it right here would show as a sub item of that nav. A lot of sites it would show as a drop down. So to show you guys what this looks like, you're going to come over here and you can click Save Menu. You should do this for all changes you add to your menu. We're going to go to the site. And here it is in your menu. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos on WordPress tutorials.